I bought a DJI Mini 4 Pro drone for filming myself climbing and hiking. Today, I'm going to be showing you what it comes with and taking it out for its first flight. We'll go over the basics of operating it and also why this drone is awesome for filming yourself on any outdoor adventure. This drone has pro-level capabilities and fits in the palm of your hand. Here's everything that comes with the basic RC2 controller package. You've got the drone itself with a propeller guard and gimbal protector. You have the battery, charging cable and cube, and extra propellers. Of course, you also have the RC2 controller. That's it. The only thing you need to provide yourself is a microSD card. The drone itself has to take a weight of less than 250 grams, making it ideal for filming climbing and hiking adventures where you don't want to carry a bunch of extra weight. So let's get this thing in the air. Taking off is as simple as tapping on the takeoff button on the controller screen. And there we go. Once it's airborne, it'll hover in place. The right stick is used to move the drone forward, backward, right, and left. The left stick controls drone elevation by moving forward and backward on it. Moving sideways on the left stick controls the drone rotation. And that's the basics. Also, all of these controls are customizable, so you can customize it to whatever setup works best for you. For controlling the camera, there's also two wheels for your index fingers on the front of the controller. The right one allows you to zoom the camera. The left one lets you control the gimbal tilt on the camera. The drone is capable of taking 48 megapixel raw photos. So I'll stop recording, switch over to photo mode, and once in photo mode, I can simply tap on the take photo button on the controller screen, or I can use the take photo button on the top of the controller. I can also easily switch the camera mode to vertical by using one of the customizable buttons on the back of the controller. And then I can take a vertical photo. Of course, the main reason I got this drone was for video footage. It can film up to 4K at 100 FPS, which makes it a really useful tool for filming, climbing, and hiking. To start a video, all I have to do is tap on the start recording button on the controller screen or the start recording button on the front of the controller. What really sets the DJI Mini 4 Pro apart as a tool for filming, climbing, and hiking when you don't have access to a pro camera crew are the automated tracking and flight modes. If you've ever tried filming yourself climbing and gotten something that looks like this, then you'll understand how useful this can be. Even with multiple ground perspectives, as you can see in these two videos I made, there's still something lacking without that aerial perspective. The drone can be set up to track subjects intelligently using a variety of tracking modes. It can also be set to fly a preset waypoint course. The advanced obstacle sensing system on board makes it easy to use these automated flight modes without the worry that the drone will crash itself. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a future video I'm making that will go in depth on the automated tracking modes available for filming, climbing, and hiking using this drone. Once you're done filming, you can land the drone simply by pulling down on the elevation stick and gradually decreasing the elevation until the drone touches down. Keep holding down the left stick to stop the motors. I'm looking forward to exploring what's possible in terms of filming, climbing, and hiking with this drone. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those videos, as I'll be sharing everything I learn in detail.